Welcome home, homemade by you. Welcome home, homemade by you. Welcome home.
Thanks for watching my video. Many times we see a video product but we wonder if the device is really good, or what is the price? Our mission is to find the updated products for you, with a realistic review from the real buyers and with a day price, so you can have the total view. Please, leave feedback if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more interesting videos.
Is standing from a seating position difficult for you or a loved one? Well, not anymore. Introducing Up and Go Cushion, the all-new portable lifting seat that provides assistance and comfort for those experiencing difficulty transitioning to a standing or seated position.
With my back injury, standing up can be difficult some days. Up and Go gives me the assistance I need when I need it most.
Life as a couch potato can be hard. For starters, that coffee table just feels a bit out of reach. And it's easy to catch a bad case of the spills. Oops! Well, forget all that. Introducing the Flip Top, the perfect couch companion. The Flip Top's designed to hold drinks, remote controls, your phone, and more, so you never have to move an inch.
I need that.
But that's not all. Flip it over and Flip Top's hard side is the perfect surface for working on your tablet or laptop.
Work? Not this guy.
Writing. Or even eating a meal or snack.
Awesomeness?
No matter where you are, on the couch, in the bed, on the patio, or in the car. Just flip it and look. All your drinks, hot or cold, are spill-proof. And spaces for remote side glasses and mobile phones means no more searching. Flip it, and Flip Top becomes a perfect lap-size desktop for your tablet or your laptop. Its hard, smooth side is great for reading, writing, or schoolwork. This tray holds your phone or pens and pencils, and the raised edge keeps them from rolling off. Using your laptop or tablet on your lap can be difficult, but the Flip Top is the perfect height for comfortably working, reading, or watching videos for hours. It's also the perfect lap-size tabletop for meals or snacking. No more messy spills.
My couch.
Whether you're at home or on the go, everyone loves Flip Top.
These beautiful blankets are perfect for every adventure. They are handmade and unique. No two blankets are the same. Light, soft, and durable. Traditionally woven by artisans in Mexico. The perfect camping blanket. The perfect outdoors blanket. Comes in 20 unique colors.
This is the ToughBuilt ClipTech lineup. A world of organization begins here. The ClipTech technology is designed to help you organize your tools faster and easier with ToughBuilt's line of adjustable and interchangeable pouches. The patented hub is the durable attachment point for all ClipTech pouches, allowing them to be clipped almost anywhere, from your hip to your ladder, your wall, and your work truck for ultimate versatility and maximum efficiency. This line's larger pouches feature an integrated kickstand that allows it to stand upright, on the ground, or on a table close at hand.
Introducing the all-new Flagship Grill Light. First, it's lightweight. Second, it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. And finally, it converts any of your favorite frying pans into a real cast iron fire grill. It's hard to find food that's both tasty and healthy unless it's grilled. But what if you don't own an outdoor grill, or what if it's raining? That's right. All Flagship grills are designed to create the full effect of an outdoor grill in your kitchen. They are specifically engineered to remove excess fat and moisture from the cooking surface, and the dry heat helps to lock in flavor with substantially less cholesterol. Specially shaped ridges evenly transfer heat to ensure that your favorite dishes look amazingly good. All your favorite frying pan recipes can be grilled to perfection on the Flagship Grill. As tasty and much healthier. Like any pre-seasoned cast iron, Flagship grills are naturally non-stick. Even if you're not a professional chef, your guests will definitely think that you are. Food always has better flavor when it's grilled on cast iron, and Flagship takes taste to the next level. The non-stick surface makes it easy to clean with just hot water and a brush. Dry with a towel and it'll last a lifetime. And follows you everywhere. The Flagship Grill Light takes up practically no space in your bag when you go camping and gives you the same perfect results, even when used without a skillet.